Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum Wr Wb. We are from Group Sapphire and we'll be talking about our project Computer Repair Service for System Analysis and Design. So our members include myself, BAWAZIER JUNAID, AMELIA RAIHANA binti AZHAN, Fathanah Zahra, and SHAHIDA ADILA binti SHAHARUDDin. So I will introduce a little bit about Sapphire Computer Repair Service. So it is founded by Riyad Mahrez in 2012 and it is located in Shah Alam, Malaysia. Sapphire Computer Repair Service is popular among the community, and in 2015, it already has 3 shops. At the end of 2019, Sapphire decided to set up 4 more shops around Kuala Lumpur, so it has 7 shops in total. This company problem is that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, it is hard for customers to go out from their house and drop off their computers. So this company requires a delivery system so that customers can still use its services through COVID-19 pandemic and services can be carried out quickly.
I'm SHAHIDA ADILA binti SHAHARUDDin. Okay, so this is our organization chart. We have project manager BAWAZIER JUNAID, system analyst AMELIA, followed by analyst programmer Mr. Nazri. Then we have system analyst programmer Fathanah Zahra, followed by analyst programmer Mr. Zahra. Then me myself, database administrator SHAHIDA ADILA. Next, for project costs, we have salary costs, software and hardware costs, training and support, and also other expenses. And the grand total we estimate about RM574,020.
Okay, Assalamualaikum Wr Wb. My name is Zahra Fathanah, and now I will explain the project schedule, which is Gantt chart, to make us easier to see the progress from time to time. So overall, this project will be complete within 5 months and 20 days, which is starting from 1 June until 20 November. Also, this project contains seven steps, which is planning, analysis, design, development, testing, implement, and maintain.
Assalamualaikum Wr Wb. My name is AMELIA and now I'm going to present the use case and the use case subsystem. So first I'm going to present the use case diagram, and our system is computer repair service system, and the actors that are represented by the stick figures that interact with the system are customer, staff, cashier, and technician. So first, customer will register and he will service request, check order, update address, and then make payment. So as we can see, this is an include relationship which shows dependency between a base use case and include use case. Meaning that make payment requires validate payment in order to be complete, while the extend a relationship. Okay, so our system will display error every time a customer makes payment. It will only occur once in a while when a customer enters an incorrect password or incorrect bank account number. Okay, and then staff. What staff do? He will manage customer and arrange delivery for the customer, collect computer and send computer back at customer's house. Cashier, what he does? He will check service, manage bills, and then create invoice for the customer. And last but not least, technician. What he do is he will also repair requests, record parts, and last but not least, update status of the computer or device of the customer. So our use case subsystem at the right side. Okay, so first, as we can see here, the use case subsystem, there is an area for each use case, where this is customer maintenance area subsystem, this is delivery subsystem, and this is payment subsystem, and last but not least, repair subsystem. Okay. So, for example, the staff will initiate the manage customer in the customer maintenance subsystem, and also he will initiate the arrange delivery, collect computers and computer, which is in delivery subsystem.
Okay, next, for the activity diagram, we use the main use case, namely service request. So first step, customer will go to the requirement page, and then they will select the problem and continue with the input the problem details. And in that page, there will be an option whether they want to choose delivery service or not. If yes, they have to fill the delivery details, and then the system will will show on the pop-up with the text request has been sent. But if not, the system will instantly show the customer the pop-up.
Now I'm moving on to the sequence diagram. So the objects that are alongside the customer or the actor is request system and service system. So first, customer will click on repairment, and then service system will display the problem list. So the customer will select the problem method, the problem that he has with the device or the computer. Then the service system will return done once the customer has selected the problem. And then the customer will create request method, and the request system will send request to the service system. And then the service system will return done, and it will automatically save. The customer will click save, and then the system will show success message eventually.
Okay, so this is our class diagram. We have 9 classes, and each class have attributes, also operation and multiplicity. So first one, technician class receive 0 to many requests, and the customer create a request of a service. So the staff will arrange the delivery upon the request made. And here, cashier class handle the payment of a request. This is what we call inheritance, where payment class is the super class, while credit card and online banking are both child classes that inherits from their super class. And this two-dimension shape is show the composition that indicates these payment and delivery classes cannot exist independent of the request class. So if, for example, if request class is deleted, then both delivery and payment classes will also be deleted. It is called like a strong relationship between these three.
So I'll be showing the system walkthrough for the use case service requests. So when customer first enter our website, this is the home page, and then they need to sign up, enter their name and their email, profession, and then password. And they have to sign up, and then they have to sign in, and then enter their email and then password, and then they sign in. And then to request a service, they have to click on repairment, and they have to select one of the problem. For example, our problem is computer won't start, and then they can click on next. If they have any other detail, they can fill in here. So next, and then we have to enter for the request. Computer model, for example, ASUS, and output year 2017, phone number, problem details, and they can also choose whether they want to choose delivery or not. If they want to choose delivery, they will enter these delivery details that they have to fill in. For example, the address is this, and then when they want it to be finished, for example, 2021, and then availability time, for example, when they are available in the day. So for example, their availability time is 6 until 8 p.m. And then they can choose whether they want to choose rush order. Rush order is that the computer will be delivered in overnight. But if they don't want to choose rush order, just untick this. But we want to choose rush order, and then we save this delivery details, and then our request has been successfully sent. So this is tracking information for the delivery later.
That's all from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.